Hi, it's Dr Michael Ghobrial here from Shaw Dental at Wavell Heights in Brisbane. John, who had recently moved into our neighbourhood with his wife Christina, visited us at our practice yesterday. He was coming in for a consultation about his jaw. Occasionally, he'd notice hearing a click when he opens his mouth. He was a bit concerned about it and was wondering if there was a problem. This is actually quite a common problem, so I thought I'd make this short video to give you a little bit of information on what it means when you hear your jaw clicking. Now, jaw clicking is a result of the fact that our jaw joint there's a little cartilage in the middle of the joint called the meniscus, and sometimes that meniscus can drift forward and get caught when we open our jaw. As our jawbone slides forward, it gets caught and it goes back into position and you hear a little click. Now, sometimes it'll draw forward and it won't click back into position. That's when people can experience jaw lock. So their mouth is either locked open or locked closed. Now, clicks in the jaw can be common, and for some people, a jaw click doesn't really mean any issues. They get it every now and then, it doesn't hurt and never flares up. But for other people, this can be a bit of a degenerative problem, and they can have issues with jaw locking and pain associated. And in those scenarios, we'll often consider lots of disciplines of treatment. Sometimes some specialized physiotherapy to build up the muscles around and help relax what needs to be relaxed. Other times it's an orthodontic or a night guard that helps position the jaw in a relaxed position to reduce the loads. And other times we'll actually use Botox in the jaw muscle as a relaxant, which can be really effective. And for some patients, the jaw clicking is actually associated with not enough support on their back teeth. So by building up their back teeth, it gives it better support and we lose the click. So jaw clicks can happen, and sometimes it's associated with issues that need to be treated. In those cases, we will use a multidisciplinary approach for the individual case. Other times, it's not associated with symptoms and doesn't need treatment at all. I hope you found this video useful. If you're having issues with your jaw and you'd like to have a professional opinion, we'd be more than happy to look after you. Visit us at shawdental.com.au, fill out an inquiry form, send us a direct message through social media, or give us a call on 3256 9111 and we can organise a consultation. I'll see you at the next video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. We are regularly making new videos with tips and tricks for your dental health. So please subscribe so you can see our next video. Until then, I'll see you next time.